Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about ending consonant blends, NT words. Words that ends with the letters N and T. Let's get started. Letter N sounds N and letter T sounds T. Together they make a sound nt. Nt. Kids, can you please repeat the sound after me? Here we go. Nt. Nt. Ant. Ant. Pant. Pant. Tent. Tent. Dent. Dent. Mint. Mint. Paint. Paint. Print. Print. Count. Count. Burnt. Burnt. Kids, let's practice some more words. Repeat after me. Chant. Plant. Grant. Giant. Went. Agent. Sent. Invent. Parent. Ancient. Joint. Amount. Account. Discount. Hunt. Haunt. Blunt. Grunt. Stunt. That's all for today, kids. Keep practicing. Bye bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching.